Open the rough and racing Angel Sky jumps quick out of the gate, rushing up from the outside. The outstanding favorite, and this one is without warning. Racing in third is Dancing Slow on the outside, is Dazzling Affair, and racing second as Golden Rhythm, while Pretty Girl is the early trader. As they lead the first race, the outstanding favorite from the outside without warning, running by the Angel Sky, and racing in third, moving up now to take seconds, Dancing Slow, and racing in fourth by some 2 lengths is Pretty Girl. As they hit the back without warning by a long neck. On the outside now is Dancing Slow, and 4 lengths away in third, Angel Sky, Pretty Golden Rhythm, and a long way back to Dazzling Affair. And nearing the last 600 without warning by 3/4 of a length. On the outside is Dancing Slow, and running by the rails Angel Sky, and 4 lengths away in fourth is Pretty Girl. Rounding the parterre without warning, Dancing Slow is on the outside, and running in third by some 2 lengths Angel Sky. About to pass the last 400, two entries still matching their strides together. Dancing Slow on the outside, running by the rails without warning, and Angel Sky is making room by the rail. Nearing the last 200, still two entries fighting it up for the lead. Without warning, running by the rail, Dancing Slow is on the outside, and nearing the finish line, it's line to number 4 without warning by Gilbert Lagrata Francisco. Dancing Slow, Angel Sky, Pretty Girl, Golden Rhythm.